Hello, students. Welcome to you all. Today, I will go through a poem named O Captain, My Captain by Walt Whitman. In this poem, he discussed about the President Abraham Lincoln. He was assassinated, and this poem was written in the memory of Lincoln's life and his work. Now, see the poem. O Captain, my Captain. By Walt Whitman. At first, I want to discuss about the background of the poem. Okay? Now, see the background of the poem. I told you what the background is, that this poem is an elegy. Elegy means, you can say, the poem, elegy means sadness. When we are talking about any person who died, then it is told elegy. And this poem is talking about a ship. The ship was coming back. From where the ship was coming back? The ship was coming back after the war. And means this poem really related to the captain who was assassinated in the war. And the speaker expresses his relief that the ship has reached its home port at last. This is a ship that has been described here, and what the poet is here feeling. What the poet is feeling, he is feeling that the ship now reaches to the destination. Means after a lot of chaos, you can say, after a lot of loss, at last they reached. Where they reached? They reached to their destination. They reached to their real place. And this is told by the speaker here. Means he expresses his relief that the ship was reached its home at last, and describes hearing the people cheering, shouting there despite the celebration on the land. And the successful voice was this. Voice means journey. एक सक्सेसफुल जर्नी के बारे में वो बात करता है. And the people were there, they were shouting, they were cheering there. Why? Because now the ship had reached with the dead body of president there. And the speaker reveals that his captain's dead body is lying on the deck. It was lying there. Why? I told you that this is the story of civil war. After the war, very successfully, what the ship had reached to the destination. And the speaker implores that the captain rise up. He will hear the bells. Why? Because the soul never dies. Wishing the dead man could witness this with this poem. Now see the poem. O Captain, my Captain, our fearful trip is done. The ship has weathered every rack. The prize we sought is won. The port is near, the bells I hear, the people are exulting. White fellow the ice, the steady kneel, the vessel green and daring. O Captain, my Captain, I told you that the port addresses to the captain. And he said, "Oh, Captain, listen, Captain, my fearful trip is done. Means my horrible journey now finished. The ship has weathered every rack. Rack means every problem. What the ship has weathered means the ship has suffered. The ship has gone through to every pain. The ship has gone through to the every means you can say drastic situations, to every troublesome situations, and the prize we sought as one. And we had got the prize. Now we got the victory here. And what is the victory? The port is near. Now he had gone near to the port. The bells I hear. And he said that I can hear the bells. Which bells? The bells of the church. He said that very clearly I can listen to the bells of the church, and the people were exulting. Exulting means enjoying. Now the people were cheering here, the people were shouting here, while the fallow eyes, the study, the kneel. Fallow eyes, the study and kneel means they all were just observing the, you can say, the ship there, the vessel grim and daring. Vessel grim and daring means they have the sadness in the eyes, and still they were full of daring. Daring means they were full of excitement, courage. But oh heart, 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 on the bleeding drops of red, where on my deck my captain lies, fallen, cold and dead. But he said that we all were happy because we got the victory. But still, oh heart, heart, heart means there is a matter of sadness. What is the sadness? Oh, the bleeding drops of red means everywhere you can see the drops of blood were there. Why? Because on the deck the captain was lying dead. Why? Because the captain died in that war, and the captain was fallen cold and dead. Cold and dead means died. The captain was no more there. And because of that, they all were full of sadness. Their hearts were full of sadness to see the blood there upon the deck. And what was the sadness? That the captain died. Oh, captain, my captain, rise up and hear the bells. What he is saying? Get up, captain, get up. Listen it. Listen the bells of the church. Rise up, for your flag is flung. And he said, see, your flag is flying there. See your flag. For you, the biggle trills, and for only your victory. What is there? The biggles were there. Yani bigul baj rahe hain. The biggles were there, and for you, the banquets and the ribbon wreath. For you, the shores crowding, and for you, everything is there. Means the bouquet is there, the ribbons are here, everywhere is here to dedicate the emotions and show the love to you. For you, the shores and crowding, everything is here. The crowds are here, the shore is here. For you, they call the swaying mass, their eager faces are turning. They all were shouting here, and their eager faces want to see your face. Oh, my captain, get up. Listen all this cheering. Listen all this excitement. Get up and see everything here. Oh, my captain, get up. Get up, my captain. See it. See all the glory. See all the pomp. See every happiness that you had given to us. Get up, captain. Get up. But unfortunately, it could not be happen. Why? Because the captain died. Everyone was happy. Why? Because they came back after getting the victory. They came back after getting the happiness. Everything is happy. Every atmosphere is happy. But the sadness is in the heart of the port. Why? Because the captain dying cold there, and everyone was filled with excitement to see the captain. Everyone was cheering the captain there. The crowd was there, but still the captain was no more. The captain was nowhere. The bells were there. The flag was there. The bugles were there. The bouquet was there. Ribbons were there. But unfortunately, the captain was not there. Why? Because the captain died. I hope this paragraph is clear to you. Now, see the next one. Here the captain dead. Here, captain, dear father, this arm beneath your head. It is come, dream that on the deck you have fallen cold and dead. Here, captain, dear father, what they are saying? Father. Why? Because they are giving a lot of respect to the captain. He said, Father, see, beneath your head means they were giving the respect to the that captain, and he said that it is some dream that on the deck you have. Here, captain, dear father, this arm beneath your head, it is some dream that on the deck you have fallen cold and dead. What he is saying, oh captain, my dear captain, dear father, this hand is beneath you. This is not the hand, but this is the dream that you have given to us. It is some dream that on the deck. On the deck means on the ship. There is a dream. My captain does not answer, his lips are pale and still. My father does not feel my arms. He has no pulse nor will. The ship is anchored safe and sound, its voice closed and done. From fearful trip, the victor's ship come in with object won. But unfortunately, what happened? The captain does not answer. His lips are pale and still. Why? Because the father was died. My father does not feel my arm, and he said that he is also not feeling my arms. He has no pulse. Now the pulse are also not working. The ship is anchored safe, means the ship has gone, came there safely at the destination, and the sound its voice closed and done, and now everything is closed and done. Exult, O shores, and the ring, O bells, but I with mournful dread walk the deck, my captain lies fallen cold and dead. He said, the shores, do the excitement, feel the happiness, enjoy the victory, and the bells ring more. But I'm full of sadness here. I'm crying here. Why? Because my captain dead. Walk the deck. My captain lies fallen. He said that upon the deck, my captain is here. My captain lying dead. My captain was no more, and he said that everyone was full of happiness. Every means the shores were also enjoying the victory, the bells were also enjoying the victory, the people were also enjoying. But I am crying here. I am full of mourn here. Why? Because I lost my father, because I lost my captain. And he said that my captain was lying dead, cold and dead, and he had a pain in his heart.